Are you interested in discovering how ordinary individuals are turning their knowledge into a steady stream of recurring income? How to transform your expertise into marketable digital products and services? Well, today we have all of the answers for you. In this video, we're going to discover how to share your knowledge effectively and generate income doing what you love. Whether it's through webinars, ebooks, workshops, coaching programs, we'll equip you with practical tips to create compelling digital offerings that resonate with your audience. Let's go. What's up, digital mentors? My name is James Finale. Welcome back to our channel where we help people just like you turn their knowledge into profit. And in today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of packaging and selling your expertise online to build a thriving business. Now, before we get started, we're going to assume that you know who your audience is, who you serve, and what knowledge or expertise you actually want to offer. Now, if that is not clear for you yet, we'll put a link in our description to a previous video that we did where we will walk you through a simple process of figuring out what you can offer by asking yourself just a few very, very specific questions. Now, to effectively monetize your knowledge, I want to start by discussing the concept of the value ladder. The value ladder is a strategic framework that allows you to offer different levels of value to your audience. It helps you guide them along a journey of increased commitment and engagement. So let's quickly go over the 5 stages of the value ladder. The first step is free content. This is also called the awareness stage. This is your opportunity to provide valuable content for free to establish credibility with your audience. Now, this could be in the form of social media posts, video shorts and reels, emails, and more. And again, the goal being to build that credibility and awareness with your audience and present you as an expert in the field. Now, the next level of the value ladder is the lead magnet. This is where a true exchange of value starts to happen. Lead magnets, or what we call the interest stage, are exciting and enticing resources or offers that capture your audience's attention and ultimately helps you build an email list. So you provide the lead magnet, they provide you with their contact information, and we have an exchange of value. More importantly, this lead has now presented interest in what you have to offer. Now, moving up the ladder again, we now start to talk about selling and making money. Typically, we recommend beginning with low-cost products, especially if you're just getting started or just entering your niche. We don't want you to go out and spend months creating a 15-hour-long mega course only to find out that your audience isn't interested in it. That's why we also refer to low-cost products level as the evaluation stage. At this stage, you can introduce affordable products that provide further value and allow your audience to evaluate your expertise. And once we've got an audience that we know is interested in these low-cost offers, then we can move them up to our core offerings, or the commitment stage, the next stage on our value ladder. These core products are your secret weapon for delivering mind-blowing value that will leave your audience begging for more. By offering these experiences, you'll become the ultimate authority in your field and build an army of raving fans. See, these core offerings will go into much greater depth in your expertise than your low-cost products. Once we've got a core offer figured out, the next level in your value ladder is the high-value offerings, or the Ascension stage. And this is where things start to get really, really interesting. See, in this final stage, you offer high-value services like personalized coaching, exclusive mastermind groups to a select group of committed clients. Now, at this stage, you might think, whoa, this seems out of reach for me. It's not something that I can do, or it's not for someone like me. And it might start getting a little bit uncomfortable. But trust us when we say it's well within your grasp and the rewards are worth it. High-value offerings are like the VIP experiences of your digital mentoring journey. They're the offerings that truly showcase the pinnacle of your expertise and provide immense value and impact. Now, while they may seem aspirational, they're not reserved only for the elite few. You might hesitate thinking that your knowledge or experience isn't big enough, or that you're not ready to offer high-value products or services. But remember, what you have to offer is unique, and there is an audience eagerly waiting for your expertise. High-value offerings give you the opportunity to dive deep, make a profound impact, and command ultimately a very, very premium price for your exceptional value. All right, now that you understand the value ladder, let's explore the different delivery options for your knowledge-based offerings. We're going to cover some of the most popular and easy ways to deliver your content, but know that these delivery methods, they can be used at any point in your value ladder. For example, at Digital Mentors, we use workshops heavily at almost every single stage of this journey, from free workshops and challenges to introduce new members to our training, all the way up to paid workshops and high-level masterminds leading into personal mentorship. The important thing to think about while we go over these options is that we don't want to spend months in what we call the creation stage. We want to choose a method that will get our audience a result in the quickest amount of time possible, both for them in their experience and for you in terms of getting it put together. Let's start with digital courses. Digital courses are like the ultimate adventure in learning. These courses offer a structured curriculum complete with modules and lessons, and they take your audience in an immersive educational journey. They provide a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter, and they equip your students with practical skills and ignite powerful transformations. Now, what's great about courses is their versatility. You can create low-cost courses that just cover the tip of your educational iceberg, all the way up to a masterclass and higher ticket offers. Do you like doing videos? That's awesome. Use videos. If you hate being on video, that's not a problem with these. You can record some audio with a PowerPoint or a keynote presentation and get it out there. Your audience is looking for a result, a solution to a problem, and digital courses are a great way to deliver that solution at any stage in the value ladder. So next, let's talk about webinars. We have been doing webinars for 15 years at Digital Mentors. These would be similar to workshops in terms of delivery, but typically a much shorter version. The key is that it's a one-to-many live option that allows you to reach a larger audience at one time. Webinars are powerful tools for engaging and educating your audience in a live virtual setting. They allow you to deliver presentations and training sessions to a large group of participants in real time. See, through webinars, you can share your expertise, your insights, and valuable content while interacting with your audience through features like chat and polls and Q&A sessions. See, webinars create an interactive learning environment. They foster engagement, and they allow attendees to gain immediate value from your expertise. Now let's move on to one of the easiest and fastest ways to get your knowledge out in the world: eBooks. eBooks are a valuable resource for your audience, offering the flexibility to consume the information at their own pace. They can refer back to it when needed, and they can easily access the knowledge that you provide. Now, eBooks can come in the form of a traditional ebook or a workbook, a cheat sheet, and more. The sky is the limit with your creativity here. Now, eBooks create great lead magnets as well as companion assets to your digital courses, workshops, and webinars. Now, next, we have virtual workshops. Virtual workshops bring the benefits of in-person workshops to an online setting, allowing you to deliver interactive and engaging learning experiences. Through virtual workshops, you can provide hands-on training, practical exercises, and collaborative activities to your participants. They don't have to be difficult to put on either. At Digital Mentors, we leverage workshops constantly to teach and train on important aspects of our framework. And we simply do it using a Zoom meeting environment where attendees can join from anywhere in the world. Virtual workshops allow for real-time interaction, group discussions, and the opportunity for your attendees to apply what they learn in a really supportive online environment. Next, let's move on to coaching programs, which typically fall into the higher value offers within your value ladder. Coaching programs offer personalized guidance, support, and accountability to help individuals achieve their goals and make transformative changes in their lives. As a coach, you're going to work closely with your clients and provide tailored strategies, tools, and feedback to help them overcome challenges and develop new skills and reach their full potential. Coaching programs can be conducted one-on-one or in group settings, depending on your preferred approach. These programs offer a high level of customization and individual attention, allowing you to make a deep impact on the lives of your clients and guide them towards their desired outcomes. And most importantly, this also allows you to command a premium price for your exceptional value. Now, lastly, I want to talk about membership sites. A membership site is a gated section of your online business where members can access exclusive content for a monthly or an annual fee. And it's a way to provide ongoing value to your audience. And it can be an effective and very, very exciting source of recurring revenue. Now, while many that are getting started view this as a must-have right from the beginning, keep in mind that there must be a reason for someone to continue to pay for a membership. There will need to be consistent updates to keep members engaged. These can be live weekly or monthly calls, new trainings, access to a Facebook group, etc., etc. The goal is to simply keep your members engaged and keep them getting wins and creating success stories during their time in the membership. Now, it's crucial to choose the right delivery options that align with your expertise and resonate with your target audience. We want you to consider factors such as their preferences and learning styles, and most importantly, your available resources. Remember, different offerings can complement each other, allowing you to provide value at various levels and cater to a broader audience. All right, so you've learned how to turn your knowledge into marketable digital products and services using the value ladder. See, by offering a range of options like digital courses, webinars, eBooks, virtual workshops, coaching programs, and membership sites, you can create a diversified and profitable mentorship business. So don't wait. Start taking action today. Select the delivery option that aligns with your expertise and your target audience and begin transforming lives while achieving financial success. Do not think you need to create all of this at one time. The value ladder is a journey in and of itself, and it will take time to build out your own. In the meantime, you got to make a choice. It's actually one of the hardest things to do as an entrepreneur that's just getting started, making a choice. So make a choice and commit to creating one of these products to get out into the world and start serving your audience. We are Digital Mentors. Remember, subscribe to this channel for more valuable content, smash that like button, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. And as always, keep sharing your knowledge and making a difference in the world. We'll see you on the next video.